Hi, Sean here. Wanted to get something out on gap insurance. It's a topic that's come up many times over the years. I've never put anything out there on it. Gap insurance, if you don't know what it is to cover the gap between the Blue Book value of a vehicle and what you owe on it. So as an example, to use round numbers, you buy a car that's $30,000, you don't put anything down, you don't trade anything in, you finance, with the tax tags, and all the other fees, you might finance, $33,000. You drive that car off the lot, it drops, 10% or so in value. So now it goes from 30 to the value of being $27,000. So now you owe $33,000 on a $27,000 vehicle. That car gets stolen the first night. Insurance company pays the lien holder, the bank, $27,000 minus your deductible, probably $26,500, and they call you and say, hey, you owe us $6,500 on a vehicle that you no longer have. So that's what gap insurance covers. Now, over time, that the value of the vehicle, it doesn't depreciate as fast as you pay the loan down. So you're paying, so if the vehicle, the value is here and what you owe on it is here, eventually in the first 2 years or so, those values cross and you actually owe less than the Kelley Blue Book value. So at that point, you no longer need gap insurance. So it's really only to cover you for a period of maybe 18 to 36 months tops. If you put money down or you trade a vehicle in that you don't owe money on, that will reduce the likeliness that you actually need gap insurance. Gap insurance is usually sold through the dealers. A lot of times it's mixed in with the loan, so it's $10 a month. For the life of the loan, you might pay $600 or $720 for that coverage over that length of time when you only need it for 18 months. A lot of insurance policies, auto policies have that as an endorsement now, so you can add that. Something else worth mentioning, especially important right now, with the value of used vehicles, your car is probably worth so much more than you even realize. So the likeliness that you need gap insurance on a purchase of a new vehicle, if you can find one, is drastically reduced right now because the value of used vehicles and that you're getting toward the new purchase is so great. So be on the lookout for that. Do the math. Ask somebody for help. If you need help, call us. But it's very unlikely if you're putting anything down or trading a vehicle in right now that you even need gap insurance. But check with your auto insurance provider and see if they can add it as an endorsement. It's usually a lot cheaper. It's always a lot cheaper than buying it through the dealer. So double check on that and hope this helps. See ya.